show you how to open it. So you go to your status bar or your search bar, then you type PowerShell. You see, you will see this. Once you start typing it, you will see this one. Then you click on it, then it will open just as my own has opened. Then you go to it and then say what? You bring bracket open and then you type get dash packages. Get dash package. Don't add s. Then you close it and bring dots count. This will count all the packages, including all the softwares you have downloaded since you bought the computer or the laptop up to date. Then you press enter and wait for it. It will count and tell you. So we are waiting for it. It is counting. When it is done, it will give you the number of packages that you have on your system. Your system may not keep long, but my own is keeping long because of some network issues. Right? So it is telling me I'm not connected to the network. I'm currently not connected to the network, right? But it has counted it because I don't even need network for this execution, right? All right, so it says what? 1082 packages that I have on my system. I can equally count the number of softwares that are running at this moment, this particular moment, just as I'm using the computer. How many packages are running? So to do that, you just open bracket and say get dash process. You close it and then say what? Full stop count and press enter. And it will count it for you. This one, it counted and it said how many packages, how many softwares are running. It says what? 219. So that's the 219 processes that are into action at this particular moment. Thank you very much for watching, and I appreciate you. Keep supporting me and we'll grow together. Thank you.